If your filter is stuck, and if you tried this, or these, this is what you should do next. All you need is a drill and a bit. Locate your oil filter in the engine bay and drill straight into it. Depending if it sits like this or like this, try to aim for where the oil is not sitting in the filter. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please give it a like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We have a ton of videos just like this helping you save money on your DIY projects, and we also film content on this FRS and a 2016 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Definitely subscribe to us today. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Until next time.
It all started when a met another and they met another and they became the trio. The end.